Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Techie Gamer. I'm back with another tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how to install Resurrection Remix ROM in the LENOVO A7000. So this ROM is based on Android Oreo. This ROM is really a very great ROM. I have been using this ROM since many weeks. So I have decided to make a video on it. So let's get started. First of all, you just have to download the ROM files. I provided a download link in the description. So these are the files to be downloaded. Here you can see the ROM file, Resurrection Remix 6.0, and here is the patch and here is the GApps file. So once you have to download these files, and then you just have to reboot the phone into recovery. Make sure you have Twrp installed in your device. Just reboot the phone into recovery. So now the phone is successfully rebooted into recovery mode. Before installing any ROM, it is recommended to back up everything. Just click on everything and confirm swipe to backup. I will not back up as I am not installing the ROM right now. I'll just show you the installation method. Then after you just back up the device, then go to wipe, then select advanced wipe, and just select dilute cache system, data and cache. Don't select internal storage and micro SD card. Then after that you just have to swipe to wipe. Then after the swiping is completed, just go to install, and then you just have to select the ROM file you downloaded. So here is the ROM file, Resurrection Remix all-in-one ROM. Just tap on it, then swipe to confirm flash. I'm not gonna do it as if I have already installed this. Once it is installed, go back, flash GApps, same. Then go back and flash patch Resurrection Remix. After everything is patched, then just reboot the phone. After installing the ROM, the reboot may take about 10 to 15 minutes. Just don't interrupt the process. The boot animation is really good. Well, the ROM is really very stable, and I have been using this for many weeks. There are a lot of features in this ROM. Everything is working in this ROM. There's no need to worry. This ROM can be used as a daily driver. You can customize in many things in this ROM. You just have to go to the configurations and select the UI as if you want. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe this channel.